This is a standard inexpensive scarf from the dollar store. I have it pretty side down. So I'm going to bring the bottom up to the middle. And now I'm going to bring the top down to the middle. I'm overlapping just a little. And now I'm folding it again. Take 2 rubber bands, and the stretchier and thinner the better. These are hair ties, but use whatever you have. You don't want the round ones, they'll pop off your ears. So we're going to put one on this side, one on this side. So we have it broken by thirds. This is where our mouth's going to be. So take this piece, fold it over, take this piece, and now you see this little section here? I'm going to put this side inside so it'll stay real good. And here's my mask. You put this over your ears. If it's too tight, you just pull it out a little bit and adjust it. This is the finished product. It's multi-layered and washable. I hope this is helpful.